Marine Starlink ends the need for satellite TV antennas. With the rise of Sat Bahamas Streaming, maritime entertainment is being revolutionized. Say goodbye to costly and outdated satellite antennas like Directv and their expensive programming fees. Now, with Starlink and other low Earth orbit satellite technologies like OneWeb and Project Kuiper, you can cruise the waters of the USA, Bahamas, and Caribbean with high-speed internet at an affordable cost. The technological evolution. Sat Bahamas offers streaming speeds with impressively low latency, thanks to the MDS Blender, which bonds multiple internet connections to deliver speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. Now, your vessel can stream just like at home, using services like smart TVs and Apple TV, with a USA or UK IP address. Out with the old. Traditional satellite antenna systems like Directv are expensive and often lose signal in areas such as south of Georgetown, Exumas. With Sat streaming, combined with MDS Blender and 5G, you can save thousands on equipment costs while enjoying continuous entertainment. Welcome to the future. With Sat Bahamas Streaming, maritime entertainment is more accessible than ever. The combination of Sat, MDS Blender, and 5G not only transforms entertainment, but also sets a new standard for maritime connectivity. The future of maritime entertainment is here. Sat Bahamas Streaming brings high-speed internet and top-notch entertainment to even the most remote locations. Get ready to experience the new era of entertainment at sea.